Ogun State government has reiterated its resolve to further partner stakeholders in the education sector, as well as create conducive learning environments and quality education in all government schools across the state. The State Commissioner for Education, Science and Technology, Professor Abayomi Arebabu, disclosed this at the 2025 IJEBU Muslim College Old Student Association Day celebration in IJEBU. Anthony Gadoni reports that this year's celebration is an historical one.
Addressing members of the association and guests, the national president, IJEBU Muslim College Old Students Association IMCOSA, Otumba Olawale Salami, said the association since its inauguration in 1993 has been fulfilling its complementary role to government in terms of bridging the infrastructure gap in the school.
IMCOSA has been a major partner with Ogun State government in providing resources that are needed in the school. And we do not only stop there, we also encourage and motivate the teachers by organizing skills enhancement seminars.
The State Commissioner for Education, Science and Technology, Professor Abayomi Arebabu, who expressed satisfaction over the significant roles the Old Students Association had been playing leading to the development of the school, announced that IJEBU Muslim College, being one of the 42 flagship secondary schools in the state, will benefit from the government's plan to remodel the 517 secondary schools in Ogun State through the reconstruction of science laboratories into world standard, among other facility upgrade. The commissioner, who thereafter embarked on an infrastructure tour to the site where IMCOSA is renovating a multi-million naira hall in the school, among other projects, however, assured government continuous support to ascertain a brighter future for education.
It has now become a sort of norm. And this is the way to spend money. If you make it in life, it is better for you to look back and give back to the system that made you. Not just throwing parties, and when they come around to celebrate like this, they celebrate with projects. I want to appreciate them, I want to thank them for what they're doing, and I want to encourage them to continue to do more. I use this opportunity to call on other old student associations.
Chairman of the occasion and other members of the association, while expressing their happiness over this year's celebration, said the reunion did not only serve as reconnecting alone with old friends, but also provide an avenue to reconnect with former classmates, reminiscing about old times and rekindle friendship.
This I believe that if the structures are improved upon, then the new students and the younger ones will have a better life to live.
In the last 30 years, apart from the involvement of the staff, the major financial contribution and physical contribution to IJEBU Muslim College, the old students is responsible for about 80% of it.
The government is a stakeholder, IMCOSA is a stakeholder. Everybody should play his or her own parts, right? We are doing our parts. We expect that the government will continue to play its own parts.
There are challenges in the sense that most of the things that we do is not being maintained properly. That's my own thing. So if the maintenance can be done, it will be very nice, so that we'll not just be wasting money, pumping money, and not seeing results.
High points of the events included parade by sets of the IMCOSA to the NEC members as a sign of loyalty to their leadership, as well to the dance floor to celebrate the day. In IJEBU, Anthony Gadoni, NTA News.